Hey guys, welcome back to the React Native course. In this video, we are going to talk about what is NPM packages and how to install NPM packages in React Native. So let's see. So what is package? So let's address this question. So package is like some bundle of code in which you can use it. The package was created by someone else, and that code you can use it to make your life simpler. Let's suppose you want to build a swiper functionality. I know whenever we have a Tinder app, so you can see that there is a called. Let's suppose you want to show a slider. So we have some sliders. So you don't have to. There is one package called slider. Okay, React Native slider. So you have to just install it and use it. You don't have to code it from the scratch, and that's how packages help us to uh, make our life simpler. Okay, so this is a one simple example. Like let's suppose basically people has written some code to make your life simpler, and you can reuse and you can use that. Okay, so what is package? You know that how to install any package and write code to apply and changes. So let's talk about the. Let's suppose you want to show the web view functionality. Like let's suppose you want to show the web URL or any website in your app. So how we can show that? So there's one package called React Native Web View, and that package help you to show the website into your app. So we'll understand about that and how to use that. We'll deep dive into it. So let me remove this code, and I have to type RNFES. So it is created one component. Okay, to install any package like Node is a JavaScript runtime environment which help us to run the JavaScript in our PC. So that's how NPM stand for Node Packages Manager. Okay, so we have called one package called React Native View. I just hit this, and this is the one NPM website which we have to open it. We have to copy this path. Okay, so what is React Native Web View? React Native Web View is commonly maintained a web view component for React Native. Okay, so basically it is used to show the website in your app. So let me what we have to do, we have to just install this package. So what we have to do, you have to copy and enter this, paste and enter this. So it will install this package in your package.json. So you can see that there's one package installed, package added React Native Web View, and it will install on the node modulos folder. Okay, now if I have to start npm start, now whenever we install any package, you have to again restart your server. Okay, now let me press A. So meanwhile it's starting the server. So whenever we install any package, there was already one document which you can read about it and so on. You can see that there's one example of React Native Web View. So I have to just copy this code. Okay, and I have to go inside my code. Okay, so use this web view. What we have to do, you have to do like this, and you have to import the web view from the React Native Web View. Okay, so I imported the web view from the React Native Web View, and we are getting some error. Web view does not exist. Okay, and we have to import the web view like this. We have to import the web view like this, not like that. Okay, and if I reload the app, so you can see that it started reloading, but we are not able to see anything on the UI. Okay, let me remove this, and we can see that this is a React Native website which we can see in our app. Okay, so apart from that, okay, so basically let's try to understand what we have learned right now. We have talked about what is packages. So in simpler manner, the packages are written by someone else, and you can reuse it. You don't have to write a lot of code. You can use some, like let's suppose you want to build any functionality like slider functionality. So there's one package called React Native Slider, and you can use it, and it's make your life simpler. Okay, now there's one package which we have used web view, and we can use to show the website in your app. I think yeah, that's all about the packages. In the next video, we are going to talk about React Native navigation. So see you guys in the next video. Please let me know if you guys have any question. Thank you. Bye.